to stay. No plans, no map, just running late. Sun is hanging low and gold. Got a feeling I was never told. Phone is dead, I don't care at all. The working way, I'm not taking calls. And the way I used to carry, finally feels a little lighter now. Something in the way I'm moving, never knew I could be this loud. Free my head, free my head. Let it float above the noise instead. All the things I thought I needed turn to dust the moment I conceded. Free my head, free my head. Paving, humming underneath every crack, a brand new beat. Used to stress about the time, now I'm counting every white line. Mirror shows a different face, someone who forgot the race. And the way I used to carry finally feels a little lighter now. Something in the way I'm moving, never knew I could be this loud. Free my head, free my head. Let it float above the noise instead. All the things I thought I needed turn to dust the moment I conceded. Free my head, free my head. Maybe I was never lost, just needed to forget the cost of keeping everything inside. Now I'm letting go tonight. Free my head, free my head, free my head. much more. So I went back to all the plans we drew, all the things we never followed through, and you still won't say what's true. I look at the moon, let it change my mood, still think about you. I watch you, and I let the silence say we're through. So long it was good to know you. Now I'm moving on. Sunny, yesterday my sky was cold and gray. Sunny, then you smiled at me and chased the clouds away. All the darkest nights are done, now I'm waking to the sun. Sunny, pure and bright, I'm yours today. Sunny, thank you for the light you bring. Sunny, thank you for the hope in everything. You gave your heart so openly and lifted up the soul in me. Sunny, sweet and true, my heart will sing. Sunny, thank you for the truth you showed. Sunny, thank you for the gentler road. I was drifting like the sand till you reached and took my hand. Sunny, strong and warm, you brought me home. Sunny, thank you for the light you bring. Sunny, thank you for the hope in everything. You gave your heart so openly and lifted up the soul in me. Sunny, sweet and true, my heart feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like a takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, yeah, you like it, the way you like it now. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, so good, so fresh. Get up on your feet. Show me you got soul. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Just the way you like it. The way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
Moonlight falling on the floor. You move closer, I want more. Every step ignites a spark, like a fire in the dark. No words, just the way you move. Pull me in, I feel the groove. Skin to skin, the night is new. All I want is here with you. Dance with me until the dawn. Hold me like the night goes on. Feel the beat and lose control. Let the rhythm take your soul. Stay with me under the lights, burning through these endless nights. When the world is turning slow, only you and I will know. Shadows painted gold and blue. Every dream begins with you. In the silence, in the sound, something wild is coming round. No fear, no reason to pretend. We don't need to know the end. One touch and the stars align. For a moment you are mine. Dance with me until the dawn. Hold me like the night goes on. Feel the beat and lose control. Let the rhythm take your soul. Stay with me under the lights, burning through these endless nights. When the world is turning slow, only you and I will know. Take my hand and don't let go. Where we lead, I'll never know. Hearts awaken, spirits high. We are made of fire tonight. Dance with me until the dawn. Hold me like the night goes on. Feel the beat and lose control. Let the rhythm take your soul. awake beneath the covers. Who knows how this will end tonight? So don't go pin your hopes on me. I just wanna feel something. God, you look so heavenly when you say you're in love with me. I wish that I could lie, but my head won't step aside. I know you think that I see myself with open eyes. Oh, we could never last forever, but pretending still feels right. I wish that I could lie, but I'm far too self-aware tonight. My mood shifts with the weather. My body feels the strain. I love the way you lose yourself inside your wildest brain. The law of pure attraction, let's put it all in play. We know this kind of magic was never built to stay. Say don't go pin your hopes on me. I just wanna feel something. God, you look so heavenly when you say you're in love with me. I wish that I could lie, but my head won't step aside. I know you think that I see myself with open eyes. Oh, we could never last forever, but pretending still feels right. I wish that I could lie, but I'm far too self-aware tonight. So don't go pin your hopes on me. I just wanna feel something. God, you look so heavenly when you say you're in love with me. I wish that I could lie, but my head won't step aside. I know you think that I see myself with open eyes. Oh, we could never last forever, but pretending still feels right. I wish that I could lie, but I'm far too self-aware tonight.
Is that all? Is that all?
Добър ден! Влог номер 2. Малко по-вкъсно включване на третия ден, не на втория. Но понеже пристигнахме късно в Дубровник вчера, исках да уточня нещо за стария град. Не знам вие ходили ли сте на стаделата и на стената. Ние се разгледахме и стария град и понеже сме скъсани в България, нямах излишни 160 лева да се разхождам по този стрепан товар. Даянчето остана на същото мнение и затова се разгледахме отгоре. Нашата гледка беше платена, беше топ. И се вечеряхме над стария град и си гледахме скъпите товари от терасата. Втори ден се чудя каква е тази мания на хърватите по патията. Имат специални бутикови магазинчета за гумени патята. И с Даянчето втори ден се чудим за какво са им тия патията. Патянца. Сега сме решили, като се приберем в стаята, да прочетем, да се образоваме малко за патията. И защо са толкова актуални в Хърватия.
И толкова скъпи.
Да. Едно патянци, е така една шепичка, 15 евро. Направо препадаш. Още едно включване бързо тази вечер. 70 квадрата халенци за продажба тук в Стария град. 8к евро на квадратче. 70 квадрата, 8к евро. Аз май не мога да смятам до толкова. Пък и да мога, не мога да се го купи в този живот.
If you open